Next one. Do admins have the ability to prevent users from creating ad hoc shared folders and sharing credentials with others?
So currently, any user can create a shared folder in the password manager. With that said, we have a plan to create a policy engine to allow admins to restrict folder creation. From experience, though, what I know is that when a user really needs to share a password with another user, they're going to find a way to do it. So might as well they do it through shared folders as opposed to sending it via an email or on Slack. But the feature is coming.
Cool. Is Password Manager enabled by default, or are we able to enable it once we review the functionality? In other words, can we, test it before it starts to actually work?
The Password Manager needs to be activated by you, and when you activate it as an admin from the admin console, when it becomes generally available, or if you let us know that you want to join the EA and we activate it for you now, between now and then, when you do activate it, you enroll users to the Password Manager through user groups. So you can create a user group that only has the testers in it, enroll that in the Password Manager. Only the testers will get access to the Password Manager. And when you decide to open it up to a broader set of users, you either enroll a bigger user group or enroll different user groups depending on the departments or the sites that you're managing.
Cool. Next one, is it possible to programmatically update information stored within Password Manager? For instance, if there is an external automation that updates or rotates API and or security keys, etc., can that be securely pushed to Password Manager via API?
So CRUD actions on the Password Manager Vault are not API controlled on day one. It's a roadmap item that we're looking to introduce. The way we're going to introduce it is through a command line interface. So you'll be able to invoke it via a script and then get it to make changes in your vault. But at launch, this is a feature that doesn't exist in the Password Manager.
Cool. A real quick one. Will there be an extension for Opera?
So Opera, the way I remember Opera extensions work is that they are Chromium based. So a Chrome extension should be functional on Opera. We're not planning to be on the Opera store this year because the Opera store behaves in a very specific way with long review cycles that aren't optimal for companies that need to release quick updates when a product was just launched. I think though that a Chrome extension can be installed on Opera, so it should work.
Yeah, it can. You can do a Chrome extension.
Nice.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.